Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to put Snapstreak story in your Snapchat account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Now let's begin. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Now go to the chat session. Here I go. Here you can see the name of your different friends. Here choose one of the friend you want to put the Snapstreak story. Here I will be choosing my friend Prajita, which is given at the top. Tap on her profile. Now scroll down. You can see here charm section given different options as in touch, friends per stone, so on. At the last option you can see Snapstreak. Tap on that. Now take the screenshot. After you have taken the screenshot, now go to the camera at the bottom on the middle. Tap on that. Now tap on square box on the left. Now go to the camera roll. Now select the Snapstreak picture. Now you can edit this picture by tapping on the left corner on the bottom. Tap on that. Here you can mention her. Here I will be mentioning her by typing her name. Also you can edit this picture by tapping on the right corner options. But I am done, so I will be tapping on the send to on the bottom right corner. Here I go. Now I will be tapping on my story tick mark. Now all you have to do is tap on the arrow on the bottom right corner. I am tapping on save and replace. Don't allow. Now go and check your story. Here I go. You can see I have uploaded Snapstreak story with my friend. In this way you can put Snapstreak story. I hope this video will help you. And last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.